Dear students, welcome you all to session 51 of chapter Pricing of Material Issues, Cost and Management Accounting, 3rd semester BCom of Mangalore University. Session 51 is about the preparation of a stores ledger using the first in, first out method or FIFO method. From the following extract of receipts and issues of a chemical during March 2019, prepare stores ledger using FIFO method. March 1st, the opening balance 300 units at rupees 20 per unit. March 3rd, issues 150 units. March 4th, issues 100 units. March 10th, received from supplier 200 units at rupees 19 per unit. March 16th, issues 65 units. March 20, received from supplier 240 units at rupees 22 per unit. March 24, returned to supplier 20 units out of purchase of 20th March. March 25th, purchase 100 units at rupees 24 per unit. March 26, issues 180 units. On March 14th, received back from manufacturing department to stores 15 units. Stock verification on 18th March revealed a shortage of 10 units and on 31st March showed excess quantity of 5 units. So here we have the information regarding the opening balance, issue of material, receipt of material from the suppliers and returning of the material to the supplier as well as returns from the manufacturing department and shortage as well as excess. So this is a problem of preparation of stores ledger using first in first out method with all the adjustments. Now, when the stock ledger, stores ledger is prepared, we need to record it in a chronological way. So March 1st, then comes March 3rd, March 4th, March 10th, and then we have information on March 14th. Then again on March 16th, then we have information of stock verification on 18th March. And then we have information about the receipt of 240 units on March 20th. Now, the stores ledger can be prepared this way. Stores ledger FIFO method. The columns date, receipts, issue and balance. In receipts column, we have goods received note number, quantity, rate, amount. In issues column, material requisition number or stores requisition number, quantity, rate, amount. The balance, we have quantity, rate and amount. 2019, March 1st. Now, opening balance 300 units at rupees 20 per unit. So, in the balance column, quantity we have written 300, rate 20, amount is rupees 6,000. On March 3rd, issue 150 units. There is only one lot. So we are issuing from that only 150 units at rupees 23,000. So what is remaining? That is the balance is 150, 20 at the rate 20, the amount is 3,000. So from this 300, opening stock 150 units are issued. On March 4th, again we are issuing 100 units. Issue 100 units. So from 150, 100 units are issued, 100 at the rate 20 rupees 2000. So what is remaining? 150 minus 100, 50 units at rupees 20, 1000. Now on March 10th, we are purchasing 200 units at rupees 19 per unit. So we are recording here date March 10th, receipts column 200, quantity, rate 19, amount is 3800. And the balance is recorded this way. First is the 50 units at rupees 20, 1000. Next comes 200 units at rupees 19, 3800. And next March 14th you can see received back from manufacturing department to stores 15 units. Earlier we have issued materials to the manufacturing department and now the manufacturing department returns it to the stores. So for the stores department it is the receipts of materials. So March 14th here we have return and the quantity is 15 and it is usually valued at the latest issue price, that is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees at rupees 300. 15 units at rupees 20, that is 300. Now, how we are going to record the balance? See here, first we have 50 units at rupees 20, 1000. Next, the purchases which are made, 200 units at rupees 90, 3800. Now, whatever returns received from the manufacturing department will be returned next, that is 15 units at rupees 20, rupees 300. So we have three lots now. First lot is 50 units at rupees 20. Second lot is 200 units at rupees 19. And the third lot is 15 units at rupees 20. Now on March 16th, issue 65 units. 65 units are issued. Now to issue 65 units, we have to take 50 from the first lot and 15 from the second lot. So we have 50 units from the first lot, that is at rupees 20. So it will be priced at 20, 1000. The next amount, that is 615, is from the second lot 200 at rupees 19. So 15 at rupees 19, 285 rupees. So what is remaining now, or the balance is, the 50 is completely issued. From the 200 units, 15 units are issued. So remaining is 200 units minus 15 units, 185 units at rupees 19, 3515 is the amount or the value of the materials. Next 15 units at rupees 20, which is still there, but the value is rupees 300. Now, on March 18th, the stock verification revealed a shortage of 10 units. So there is a shortage of 10 units. Whenever there is a shortage of 10 units, it will be shown from the first item. That is first in, first out method based on the method which is being used. So the first lot is 185. From 185, we assume that there is a shortage of 10 units. So it will be priced at 19 rupees. So shortage 10 units at rupees 19, 190 rupees. So the balance will be from 185, 10 units are missing. So 175 units at rupees 19, 3325, and 15 units at rupees 20, rupees 300. And on March 20th, we have received from supplier 240 units at rupees 22 per unit. March 20th, in receipts column, quantity 240, rate 22, the amount is 5218. Now in the balance column you can see we have the first lot 175 at rupees 19, 3325, 15 units at rupees 20, amount is 300, and now the recent purchases 240 at rupees 22, 5218. There are three lots available now. Now, on March 24, return to supplier 20 units out of purchases of 20th March. So, 20th March, whatever we have purchased, 240 units at rupees 22. Out of that, 20 units are returned to the supplier. So, the price is 22 rupees. So, in the issue column, we are recording the quantity 20, the price 22 rupees, and the amount is 440. So, we are giving it back to the supplier. How many units? 20 units at rupees 22. Now the balance will be the first lot 175 at rupees 19, 15 units at rupees 20, and from this 20 rupee units are issued. So 220 units at rupees 22, amount 4840. On March 25th, purchase 100 units at rupees 24 per unit. So March 25th, again receipts column, quantity 100 and the rate 24, amount is 2400. So 100 units are received, and in the balance the first lot is 175 units at rupees 19, 3325. Second lot is 15 at rupees 20, rupees 300. Third lot is 220 at rupees 22, 4840. And the next lot is 100 units, that is the recent purchases, 100 units at rupees 24, 2400. Now on March 26th, we are issuing 180 units. Now to issue 180 units, the first lot we have only 175, and the next lot we have to take 5 units. The entire first lot 175 units at rupees 19, 3,325 rupees, and 5 units from the second lot is taken 5 units at rupees 20, 100. So together it makes 180. Now what is remaining? 175 is completely issued. 15 units, 5 units are issued. So remaining is 10 units at rupees 20, rupees 200. 220 units, it remains the same at rupees 22, 4,840. And the last 100 units at rupees 24, 2,400. Now on March 31st, the stock verification showed excess quantity of 5 units. Whenever there is an excess, it will be valued at the current purchase price or the latest purchase price. The latest purchase was on March 25th at rupees 24. So the excess amount will be shown at rupees 24 only. It will be always shown at the latest or the current purchase price. So March 31st, excess 5 units at rupees 24, 120. 120. So we have excess of 5 units. So the closing stock will be 10 units at rupees 20, rupees 200. 220 units at rupees 22, 4,840 rupees, 100 units at rupees 24, 2,400 rupees, and the recent one, the excess 5 rupees, 5 units at rupees 24, 120 rupees. So the closing stock will be the total of these 10 plus 220 plus 100 plus 5, that is 335 units, and the value of the closing stock will be 200 rupees plus 4,840 rupees plus 2,400 rupees plus 120 rupees, 7,560 rupees. So the closing stock will be 335 units at the value 7,560 rupees. So this is the preparation of a stores ledger using first in first out method. Thank you students.